Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Bluey mixed with Spider-Man. All right, we're gonna go through it step by step together. Let's get started. All right, let's go over the mixture of Bluey and Spider-Man. Let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line over here for the top of the snout, of the dog. Curve over here downward at an angle, kind of at a slight angle, by the way, very slight, nothing wild, not like cutting back or anything. Curve right here underneath. We're gonna go into the mouth area. It's gonna go slightly up, kind of go straight across over there, downward, out right there for kind of an open mouth. So let's put in Bluey's teeth right here. Boom, 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 boom. Right there, just like little bumps, nothing crazy, nothing wild. Curve line here for the tongue, and then line right here. Fill this out. Over here now, down. Bluey has like this marshmallow style body. It's gonna go up over here on this side. We're gonna go up. Try to line it as close as you can. Curve over here, the top of the head, straight across, curve, down, right there. And I would say stop about this point, around like halfway through the mouth or a little bit above that, and then line out for the hand. Again, the hand is like a tube, so it's really simple like that. By the way, don't forget, if you like the way I'm teaching, if you appreciate these characters, definitely hit the like button. It helps a lot. I appreciate it if you do. Curve right here for the thumb, and he's got outside of the thumb, he's got 3 other fingers, and we're gonna go back in there. Gonna go over here down. And then over here on this side, we're going to curve along the bottom and kind of complete that box shape, right? So every part of drawing would be very simplified. So that's a great example of a really simplified drawing. Down right here. Down right here for the leg. Over here on this side as well. Down right here. Down right here. This one's a little bit longer than that one. The reason for that is I'm going to draw a little bump, pull in. Bump over here, pull in. Okay, curve for kind of the paw shape right there. And then let's draw Bluey's other hand roughly around the same level. Out. First of all, so far I'm just calling him Bluey because so far we have almost all of Bluey's features. Out, curve for the hand right there with a thumb, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers otherwise. Okay, let's put in some of the Spider-Man features. Well, one thing before that. Actually, we got to draw the ears. It's going to be up at the edge of this, and then slanted. Over here, let me see. Okay, right here, let's draw a little potato shape, or like a Frito shape or something, like a Cheeto shape right there for the eyebrow. And over here, I'm going to draw the eyebrow on this side before we draw the other ear. So now over here on this side, I'm going to draw a straight line up for the ear and then angle it out right there. Let's go into the eye. Curve. We'll draw Spider-Man's eye. Curve right there. Same thing on the other side. Curve out. Line in. Kind of, you can only see the top half. It looks like a lemon if you were to simplify it. I would say it looks like a lemon shape. Maybe draw it a little bit thicker, the line around it. Curve right here. All right. Line here, line here, line here, line here. For kind of, we're going to go into the Spider-Man kind of outfit. Let's see. Out, right here, out, right here. And another line right here. Okay, that's kind of the Spider-Man pattern so far. What would you call this character, by the way? It's Spider-Man and Bluey. What would you call that character? Write in the comments, and I'm going to pin the best, basically the best name. I'm going to pin it, okay? You can do a couple of them. Do them separately, though, so I can actually pin the one that I like. do a circle here at the end right here, and then now we're going to draw the web coming out. Like, think of Bluey as like a 3D shape. These lines right here are going to be very subjective, right? So if you draw it, if I draw this over and over again, see, I'm trying to think of like how they would travel across Bluey if he was 3D. So if I do this again, it might be a little bit different. I'm going to probably at this point draw a thin line across, and below here I'm going to draw like just straight, you know, just what do you call it, like checkered shape line over here. And I'm trying to draw those lines a little bit lighter than they would normally be because I don't want them to interfere. Same thing on the feet. It might cover up my, you might run into the lines I have for the split of the hands, and then over here as well. Ooh, snap. Dang, I forgot. I should have cut this off right here. Dang. Well, we'll leave this essentially like blank. Okay. Now we're going to do the lines across. So the lines across are going to work to really separate it out. Trying to go very light on the lines right here. Line across, and I'm going to stop it right there. Like I want, because that part's supposed to be blue. Dot right here, dot right here. Two dots, like smaller one. You know, we're trying to do the spider symbol. Curve, curve, like real tiny ones for the fang area, and then I'm going to draw kind of L shapes out for the legs, right? And there's 8 legs, right? 2 aiming downward, 2 aiming up. And then I forgot about the top right here. Wow. So same thing goes for the top. Just going to draw these flat across. Oopsie daisy. All right, try to make them as thin as I can. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to make sure they don't interfere with the stuff. So let's go to the face now, and I'm going to draw that web shape. So curve out, right there. See? Keep going along here. Curve, curve. Curve over here. And pretty good. Oh, one last thing. I forgot about his tail. Forgive me. We're going to add him this tail. A line over here. A line over here. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. Line down. And we're going to leave that like it would be blue. And then over here at the end of the tail, we're going to do that checkered shape. And there you go. That's Spider Bluey. If you want more clarity, you can draw like a thick line just on the outside, which absolutely helps. I know people were kind of like, well, I don't know. It just kind of makes it look more like a sticker or something like that. I don't know why that is. It just makes it look better because I think especially in this one, because there's so many small lines going everywhere. Line up over here. Continue to follow along. Again, it's just the outer layer. Curve over here. And there you go. Thank you so much. You know, say what's up, share the video if you can, but what I want you to do is I want you to stay here and we're going to go into another lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.